Hi, this is Bryce Adams with Trimble Forensics. In this video, we're going to talk about importing a data log. To do this, we're going to go up to the tab and locate the measurements icon. After we click on the measurements icon, we're going to look at the import data log button that's located right next to add data log and add point cloud. To import the data log, we're going to click on the button. Place the crosshairs somewhere on the canvas that you would actually like to place the data log. Once you left click, the wizard's going to open up to import the actual data set. We have four options that we can draw the data from. The MFX or the data collection software like Capture, a total station, somewhere on our hard disk, and some other source of data collector. For this case, we're going to locate the data in a file on the hard disk. Once we bubble on the file on a hard disk, we're going to hit next, and then we're going to go locate the file format that we're actually going to have saved. Once you hit the drop-down box, you locate CSV import or any other applicable field that you would like to import. And then we're going to go locate the actual data file by hitting our Browse button. So wherever you have the data actually saved on the hard disk, you're going to go find it. And then you're going to go find the actual format. In this case is the CSV Excel spreadsheet. Highlight the spreadsheet and hit Open. That file extension will now be opened into the browser window, and we can proceed forward by hitting Next. At this point, we can give the measurement log a name, such as Scene Data Points, or whatever other applicable name you would like to apply. This name is actually going to be saved in the Layer Manager with the same name. If you'd like to change the name, now's the time to do it. At this point, we're going to continue through the process of the wizard by hitting Next. And now, coming to the final steps, completing the data import, it's going to ask you some brief questions, such as, do you want to swap the X and the Y location to east and northerly values? Maybe you would want to use the first point of origin as a 0, 0, 0 set. Auto selection terrain points using terrain codes, or create a scene from objects, such as using line connections and feature types. In this case, we're going to go ahead and leave everything blank and proceed further through the Next button. Once you hit Next, you're going to see that your data file is now on the canvas with all the points and numbers identifying those points. As you see, we're still in the function of adding data points. You can see that my crosshairs are still lit, and I have the field for new measurements actually still open. So I'm going to go ahead and escape out of this function, and now I have my select toolback highlighted. If I would like to work with the measurement log before proceeding any further, such as maybe changing colors to the points or colors to each one of the numbers, I can come over here to the Layer Manager and select Scene Data Points that's now currently in my layer. Left click on that, and now I have the Scene Data Point property box. This is where I can come in and change color points, such as from black to maybe red, and hit OK. If I don't want to see my numbers, maybe I want to see the actual coding, I can simply go down here and change what type of display we would like to see. Under point labels, right now it's currently numbers, and I'm going to go to code. And now you can see all the coding for that particular point. Also visible is the measurements log. You can see here everything is displayed in XYZ values. If you would like to change that from an XYZ to possibly a different coordinate display, such as the NEZ, simply click on that, and now it's going to change to elevation first, west, east, south, north coordinates. with coding to the side. After you get done looking at all this, just simply X out of the boxes and it'll close down the actual view to the data properties.